So I picked up the Tyrannosaurus Rex escape pack from Jurassic Park, and it's already almost a little mini diorama, and that inspired me to try and make a diorama of my own with basically no money, no talent, in almost no time. It's super easy because everything looks so good at the beginning. It's just missing those black borders, so I grabbed a black Sharpie and filled those in. Used a silver Sharpie for these bulb things on the front. The key to making it look real and not a toy is weathering, so you got some watered down dark paint and it gets into all the grooves and crevices, makes it look more lived in, like it's been through the jungle and everything. The T-Rex was a little bit too bright, so I darkened it up a little bit with some dark watered down paint to make the T-Rex look dark like it did in the movie in that scene. And you can use the background that came with the box to do a really easy diorama if you want, but I felt inspired, so I swung by the dollar store. I got this green foam made for floral arrangements. It's super easy to cut, so you cut it into the size you need for the concrete base of the fence. You get these wooden dowels, they poke right in super easily. As I start gluing everything to the foam base I'm using, it starts to resemble the park fence from the movie. You twist some wire around, and if you're lame you get silver wire right off the bat, but if you're cool then you use black wire and then you go over it again with silver Sharpie. Now that the fence looks mostly okay, I move on to the base. I pour out the glue everywhere and start spreading it around, and I use this dollar store sand, start pouring it everywhere. I quickly splash some gray paint onto the floral foam to make it look more like concrete, and it's starting to look more like a road, except that it's bright red because that's all they had at the dollar store, so of course you just go over it with some paint, and once you paint it then it starts to look more like a blacktop or a pavement. Use that dirty brush on the plant things too, and it's perfect because they're made to go right into the back of these floral foam cube things, and they just poke right in, easy as can be, and we're ready for the T-Rex to break out.
Dr. Grant?